All right, traders, Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy new month of December. So be careful, guys. This month of December is gonna be very choppy on the market. So I'm gonna give you this week, I'm gonna tell you what's going on with EURUSD. Stay with me to the end, guys. I'm also gonna give you USDJPY. I'm gonna tell you why the market is doing what it's doing on USDJPY. Also, I'm gonna give you gold. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I think about gold and why you should not be trading if you don't know how to trade. But I'm gonna give you all this pair for you on this amazing video. But welcome to another week, guys. Hopefully you guys will make hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the market. If not, don't trade this week. All right, the very first pair that I'm gonna give you guys, that it is going to be EURUSD. Boom! Pay close attention. This is the way we're gonna do it, guys, because I want everyone in here to learn this business. This is we're gonna be using multiple time frame. What is multiple time frame? Let me shrink the candle a little bit so you can see what multiple time frame is all about. So this is what we do, guys. We love to pay attention what multiple time frame is doing. When it tells us that it's in a sell, we take a sell. Then we look for the direction of the TW sniper entry, and then you're gonna be getting stairs only when the market is selling, and that will be the real trend. And boom, market drop. When the market is in a buy trend, this is what you get. You get multiple time frame letting you know on the opposite that we're in a buy trend. TW sniper entry also showed up. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading? The stair heading is going on the other side of the aisle. That means the market in there is going bullish. But this is what we're gonna do this week, because I want each and every one of you to learn this business. This is not a game, guys. If you don't know how to trade, please go and trade and practice in a demo account, because you can't afford blowing your account. This is the way how we look into the market. First thing first, guys, we always take a sneak peek of what the dashboard is letting us know. If you pay attention here, the daily time frame is letting us know the original trend on EURUSD is still bullish, but the 4 hours is telling us that we are in a sell position. So what do you need to do next? The next step that you need to look, guys. Look, I love to teach you only real data, guys. I don't want to teach you back data and I'm gonna look good, but you're gonna keep blowing your account. So let me go to real data and show you why the market is doing what it's doing. This is what I think, guys. Pay close attention, because this is very important. Let me fix that, because I think I drew it so wrong. This is what I think. If you pay attention here, look, I'm gonna give you a baby training here, because hey, you need to learn all this stuff. Look here, what is multiple time frame doing? Boom, it's telling us that we're in a buy trend. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Boom, it's telling us that we also are in a buy trend. So what it is the next step that you need to do? What we need to do next, guys, is we need to pay attention. Where is the stair heading? Is the stair heading going down or going up? If you pay attention here, we are going only in one direction only, and that it is in a buy trend. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading, guys? It's very clear. You cannot get confused, because the real trend here is only going in one direction only, and that it is sell. I'm sorry, that is in a buy. Therefore, what is the difference on the dashboard? If you do pay attention on the dashboard, it's letting us know that something is going down. Means the market is in a sell position. So pay close attention. What is the multiple time frame letting you know in real data? Look, guys, this is what I love to do here. I love to teach you what Monday is doing, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You don't see any drawing in there. Why you don't see it? Because we are predicting what the future is gonna hold on the market. If I'm wrong, then you're gonna be the witnesses. If I'm right, you're also gonna see it. So it's very clear, very honest opinion in here. Look at here, multiple time frame is selling. Where is the trend heading? The trend here is selling. That is exactly what we are seeing here on the H4, which is the 4 hours, right? So in my opinion, my personal opinion here, guys, is the multiple time frame will be continuous selling down. It's gonna come back and retest your 23 to your 38 Fibonacci level. There's a previous multiple time frame, this previous support and resistance in this area, which is a very key level of the market retracing and going with the original trend here, letting us know that we are in a buy trend. In my opinion, yes, we are gonna come back and retest retest our 23.6 Fibonacci level one more time, because we're still on this sell position. This is a pullback. This is considered a pullback, not a long term. And then boom, market will be continue on that sell position. This is simple, guys. It's very straightforward. I don't want to confuse you. I want to give you straight up answer of what the market is doing. Look, another amazing pair that is going to blow your mind. And it's going to blow your mind. That is going to be USDJPY. Look at the dashboard. Look. I'm not going to give you the real answer yet, because I need to teach you the history behind the chart. So when you look into it, you will see what the market is predicting. Now, look at here. What is the dashboard telling you? What is the 4 hours and daily time frame giving you the story here? It's automatically letting you know that we both are selling. So what do you need to do next? Now we're gonna be showing you the real data, real trend, what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Look at here, guys. Now it's time to reveal the answer. Look at here. Where is the multiple time frame heading in real time? Look at here. Boom, selling. What is the TW sniper entry doing? Look at here. It's telling us. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading, guys? It's only one direction the market is heading, and that is in a sell position. That's why you are seeing all these folded here from 1 week all the way to 1 minute. Market is selling down. So USDJPY is still selling very strongly. So on Friday we left it as a sell position. This is my opinion. Market will be giving us another 30, 50, 60 more pips coming down, retesting this level 146.115. From there we are gonna be looking into a red arrow right at this green arrow, I'm sorry, looking into this direction here, which is gonna come back and retest between your 23 Fibonacci level, and from there we'll continue on that sell trend. It's that simple. There's no magic. There's nothing to be confusing. It is what it is, guys. You are seeing it very clear. This is like seeing crystal water, seeing a glass of water crystal. You see it beautifully. There's no way you are gonna get confused. If you are getting confused, there is a link in the description of the video. You can reach out to me. Let me know, hey Irvin, look, this is what I need help. I'm struggling on this particular area. How can you help me? If you ask me for it, I will give you what you're looking for. If you don't, unfortunately, I won't be able to give you the answer. And there's no one else can I give you. Look, guys, a lot of people charge you hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars giving you what I'm giving you here. So the question here is, are you want to change your life in 2024? Because we are 30 days left on this amazing calendar, and happy holiday for real. All right, so let me go ahead and give you the next pair that is gonna blow your mind, and that is going to be gold. And I'm gonna give you straight up the answer of gold, guys. I want you to take a sneak peek of the dashboard. Look, where's the dashboard heading in here? Look, you got the answer. There's no way you will tell me right now that you don't have the answer. There's no way for real. Look at the dashboard. What is the 4 hours and daily doing, guys? What is the 4 hours and daily doing? Look at there. Boom. It already gave you the answer. Now, of course, you have to do the full analysis, because you cannot just go by what the dashboard is saying. Because look, this is the real trend, guys. Look at here. Or at least you already know, hey, I'm seeing the 4 hours and daily is going up. All right, let me show you what Irvin had to show us in here. If the real data is true, well, here it is. Let me show you, because you here. Look, guys, this is real shit, my guy. We here on the real deal. Look at the dashboard, guys. Look, give you the answer. Multiple time frames saying what? It's saying that we are in a buy trend. Look at the TW sniper entry. Boom! Look at the stairs, guys. There's no way in this moon that you are gonna get confused. It's there. It's there. Where's the trend? Well, look. Where's the price action going, guys? Price action is only going in one damn direction only, and that it is bullish. If you tell me, Irving, no, gold is selling, good luck on your account, because you will be blowing it and you're gonna hate this business. I'm telling you. Look at here. Now we're moving forward. How far are we gonna go? In my opinion, yes, we're gonna be retesting our 2087.990. That is the level that we are looking into it. 2097.90. That is the level that we're looking for a reversal. So the market will giving us a reversal here. How far is that reversal gonna come? In my opinion, will come to our 23.6 Fibonacci. There's previous touches in here, build up in this location here, and then market will continue on that buy trend. That's what I think, guys. Guys, please, guys, be careful. Be careful. Don't blow your account, guys. If you don't know how to trade, just open a demo account. You're not gonna. This is the best opinion, best suggestion I'm gonna give you. Open a demo account. You will not regret it. You're not gonna be blowing your account. All right, because this 2024, it has to change your life. It's up to you, guys. It's up to you. Once again, guys, I want to thank each and every one of you guys for being here. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world. And God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Once again, I will see you guys back on the next episode. Hasta la vista. Boom.